Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about master data management, which is also one of the main component of for managing the data. So for the people who are new to this topic, for them this video will be useful. So let's start. In this video, I'm going to cover what is master data management, what is the need to implement MDM in our organization, what are the benefits if I implement MDM, if I invest so much in a particular product, then what are the benefits I'll be getting out of that. And then the main component of any MDM product is match and merge. So I'm going to discuss a few important concepts about match and merge, and then the tools which we can use for MDM. So let's start with what is MDM, what is master data management. So to explain this, guys, I'm going to give you one example. Okay, for example, a customer is buying a particular product. Okay, so suppose I am buying an antivirus software for my system. So there might be case when a customer buy that particular antivirus software through the online company website. Okay, at that time customer might provide its only first name and some landmark address. He or she is not providing the complete name or the complete address while purchasing. Okay, and second time, suppose that person want to renew that antivirus product or want to buy another product from the same company, so they or he or she might go to the store to purchase that product, and this time when they are buying the product, they are giving their full name and like same landmark address, not a complete address. Okay, and third time, suppose they have placed a call online and they have placed an order through the company this thing sales department, and they want to buy the other same product, same antivirus, so they want to renew their antivirus, and this time they are providing their complete name and their complete address. Okay, so three times the data for the same customer is entered into the company database in three different form. In first place, they have only first name and some landmark address. Second place, they have full name but only landmark address, not complete address. Third time, they have full name and full address. Okay, so these three times the same person data is there, and this is the duplication which is created in the company. So this is just a one customer. Okay, like this there are many customers, every day they are buying purchasing products, and every day they are entering the data. Sometimes they are giving some complete information, sometimes they are not giving, sometimes even we might end up giving wrong phone numbers or wrong details as well, not correct address, like this. Okay, so these type of situations when come, this is a real world scenario where a company end up having multiple records of the same customer. So that create lot of duplication, that create lot of redundancy of the data, and which create a lot of kind of confusion. We don't know which data is correct. Okay, so the decision making based on the data will never happen if we have so much of data and we don't know which data is correct. Okay, for a customer A there are five records, and out of five records, which record is correct for the customer A, we don't know, right? So to remove this problem, master data management is the solution. Okay, what master data management do is it take the best of five records. Okay, suppose five records, one record we got from online. Suppose customer A has purchased an product B, and one first time that customer A has purchased through online. Okay, so in online, suppose the name might be good. Okay, the second time when it purchased from the store, from store address might be good. Okay, third time that same customer purchased the order B through phone call, and the through phone call the contact detail phone number might be good. Okay, so in the three times, or the three online store and through call, three different values of the customers are good. Okay, one at first time that name is good, second time the address is good, third time the contact detail is good. So what master data management will do, it will take the best of each of the source system and it will create a master record. Means it will take the name of the customer from online database, it will take address of the customer from store database, it will take contact detail from the customer from on call database, right? And those three good values which has good trust, or where we can trust those values, it will take and it will create one single record which is master record. And only that record will get stored in the company database, in the master database, and that will result into one record per customer. So there will not be n number of records, only one record will be there which is of the high quality on which we can trust. So that is the main function of master data management. I hope you guys got some idea about what is master data management, right? So let's go to the next need for master data management. So now I have told you what is master data management, but why do we need it? So as I said, there are a lot of manual entries which can uh, end up creating errors. Okay, so sometime when we are entering data while purchasing or anything, even if a company is having suppose a person who is entering data entry jobs or anything, in that also we have issue of manual errors when we enter. Okay, there are issues where the sometimes we get some name different formats of name, okay, or incomplete data, those all issues are there. Okay, and different name usage, for example, somewhere for General Electric somebody is using GE, somebody is using General Electric. Similarly, if I want to have the country name is India, somebody will use IND, somebody will use India, right? So there are multiple forms of same detail, so that will also create confusion, duplication, etc. Then duplicate data entry, same person data is there in 4 to 5 records, so which will also end up having more space utilization, which will end up having more cost for the storage. Then data that has been updated in one system but not in other system, so there might be possible that one system might have the data for customer A and other system don't have the data for customer A. So that is also the case where we need master data management. So these are some of the issues which are very real time issues in every company which is handling a good amount of huge data have faced these issues, and that's the reason now companies are using master data management to create only one golden record and to deduplicate and to remove all the redundant data out of their system. And also one main use of this, or one main need of this, is when we have multiple system, okay, multiple systems, so this master data management is used for consolidation. Okay, as I told you, I am having online system, online database, I am having store database, I am having phone call or through pre-sales or sales database, right? So all these database are having detail of the same person, but they are different database. So if I want to consolidate the data from all these three database, if I want to place the data into one place, okay, that's where we use master data management. Okay, for example, any of the product based company, they have legacy system which are coming from generations, they are using some systems, and now they are moving to their new system, some new ERP or new CRM system. So when we have multiple source system and data is scattered in multiple source system, at that time, if a company wants to consolidate the data from different source system to only one database, at that consolidation, while consolidation we will do deduplication, we will also do data cleansing, we will also do data quality and consolidate. So master data management also provide all these facilities while consolidating the data. So that is also one of the use or need for the master data management. So let's move to the benefits. What are the benefits of master data management? See, the first thing is customer experience. Okay, if the customer record is having good quality, okay, then we can rely on that customer record, right? Suppose if I want to contact a customer and the phone number of the customer in our databases, like we might have two or three phone numbers of that same customer, right? But there might be the case that some phone numbers are out of service, they are not using that, so we don't know which phone number is good. So now if we implement master data management, it will take the best trusted source system for the phone number, so we have good customer experience at the end of the day. Then analytics. Why analytics? If we have good data, if we have good master record, there will not be any duplicate, there will not be any incomplete data. Then the analysis or the reports what we create out of that data will be of good quality, and will get the right analysis, or will get the right predictions or anything out of that data. So it will always use in analytics. Then mergers and acquisitions. What happen is, if there are always companies keep merging with other there are companies, big companies keep acquiring small companies, right? In that cases, what happen is, if a big company has acquired a small company, they always want the database of the small company to be consolidated or to be merged with the database of the big company. So in that case also, we need master data management. And similarly for the mergers, if two company are getting merged, then they want to see all the data of the both two companies into one place, then also we use master data management. Governance and compliance. So I have already created a video on data governance, you guys can go and see. So data governance also talk about the data quality or data compliance. So when we have master data, then only we'll able to implement data compliance. Then operational efficiency. Of course, when we have good data, our operations will be smooth, the less time will get involved in searching for the best data, and and doing lot of research for the data, so that time will get reduced. Then supplier optimization. So the master data management will not only take care of the product data, but it will take care of the customer data, it will take care of the supplier data. So this is a very vast topic. I might cover this into other few more videos, but I'm just giving an overview. Then product experience, right? So if we have MDM in place, we have a product master data management or product information management as one of the stream of MDM, where we manage the product data, where we create structures for the product data. We'll see how we want to display that product data into our websites and all. So that is also one of the stream of master data management. So these are some of the benefits why we should use master data management. And then match and merges in master data. So match and merge is one of the main component of master data management. Okay, why? Because as I said, in the use of MDM is when we have data from multiple source system. Okay, so when I'm getting data from multiple source system, I have to match the data. I mean, which two or three records are similar. That is what matching is used for. Okay, for example, a customer A record is there in source system 1, in source system 2, and in source system 3. Okay, so if I want to see which and all records are of customer A, I have to create some match rule. Match rules means if the name of the customer and address of the customer from two or three source systems are same, then that customer is same, right? So that kind of matching we perform. So these matching is done automatically in MDM tools, which I'm going to cover in the next slides. So this first we have to match the data. Okay, suppose my name and my address is there in the company database in two or three databases. Okay, so how they will match that this is my data? By seeing my name and address. If my name and address is matching with the name and address of the other source system or other databases, then that is my record. So that matching is done. Then merging. Once we have matched the record, okay, this is the record of the same person, then what we do is we will merge that record into one record, and that one record will be master record. So there are two types of matching: exact match and fuzzy match. Exact match means when exact values are matching. Okay, I mean when complete full name is matching with the another full name, then we call exact match. Fuzzy match means when some percentage is matching with the other record. Okay, like 90% of the data is matching, then we use fuzzy match. Similarly, two types of merges are there. One is manual merge, when we manually go and see all the match records and we merge them, and some are the auto merge, where the when we tell the system that if this much percentage of the data is matching, they should automatically merge the record. So these things are actually very very detailed thing, but just understand that when you do MDM, you have to match the record and you have to merge the record. For this we have various tools. So these are some of the tools which you can use for match and merge and for all the capabilities of MDM. So I have listed few, but there are many. So let's start with the first one, Informatica. Informatica is master data management vendor. They have the cloud native master data management, which is having AI powered match and merge rule setup. So this is one of the good vendor for master data management, which most of the companies are using from years. Then we have SAP. SAP master data management is also in the cloud, and they have the capability of data governance and master data management in one tool only, that is SAP MDG they call it, and this tool is known as Informatica MDM. Then Reltio, this is also a cloud native data. They use the API first approach, means which allow quickly onboard of the new data sources. If I want to onboard a new source system, that will be very easy. On the fly they do the match and merge everything. Then we have IBM tool is IBM Infosphere Master Data Management. They provide self-service capabilities, 360-degree view of the customer. Means everything of the customer get captured in this IBM tool. Then we have Stibo system. Stibo systems are usually they use for customer, but they have the good products for the product information management, product data management also. So this is the Stibo. So these are the few tools I have listed here in the market, which are top notch, where most of the companies are using them. So based on your requirement, what are the capabilities these tools are offering, what are the estimation or the pricing these companies are offering, and what is the need for your organization, you can choose one. And even if they can give you a demo of this, that will be helpful. So here I am ending this video. I hope some of the information is helpful to you. If so, please do like this video, and thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.